Anya from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making another Thanksgiving recipe for my friends in America, and it is a no-cook stuffing that is made with apricots and rosemary, and it's really quick and easy to make. You'll do this in only minutes. So first up, I've got a mixing bowl and a couple of slices of bread. So I'm using some wholemeal bread here, but you could use any bread that you like. If you're gluten-free, just use some gluten-free bread and just break that into small pieces. All right, so to this mixture, I'm adding half a cup of corn flakes. You could also add rice bubbles, or you could also add a quarter of a cup of breadcrumbs instead. I have a teaspoon of dried rosemary. If you don't like rosemary, just use some basil or parsley. Totally up to you which flavors that you like. I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of chopped dried apricots. And if you want to make this a savory stuffing, then leave out the apricots, that's fine. And then I'm also adding in a mixture of coarse Celtic sea salt, some pepper and some garlic powder. And half a cup of vegetable broth. So remember, all the recipe ingredients and measurements are all on my website at cookingwithplants.com, and I'll leave a link to this recipe in the description below. And just give this a really good mix up. Okay, and it's done. It's that quick and easy. So you can now use this to stuff some mushrooms, eggplant, zucchini. You could roll it into some tofu. The options are endless. So wherever you want to use this stuffing, quick and easy, ready to go. Give it a try and tag me on Instagram with photos of how you use this. I would love to see your photos. And as for now, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye.